Hi guys, it's your boy Lukey Wookie Woo Woo, and I am mega hungry. I haven't eaten in weeks, 4 weeks. Right, I am starving. Let's get into it. We got a chicken share box, 12 chicken McNuggets and 6 chicken selects. Let's get into it. Right, and I've got a rich tomato dip. Right, let's do this. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. Oh, they are good. Ah. Mmm. Ah. Ah. Mmm. Try a chicken nugget. Look how big that is. Mmm.
It's not a chicken nugget though, is it?
Can hardly fit it in there. Mmm. Mmm. Chicken select or whatever the fuck you call it. I don't give a fuck. Mmm. That is good though. That is really good. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Has a 10 out of 10 for the chicken nuggets and a 10 out of 10 for the chicken selects. Gorgeous, beautiful. Mmm. Ah. Mmm. 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 See you in the next video, guys. I'm now going to eat the rest of this. Peace. Peace.